I'll now demonstrate the free LibreOffice Impress application running on the Raspberry Pi 4 and compare it to Microsoft PowerPoint running on a Core i7 PC. The app is in the Pi menu: Raspberry, Office, LibreOffice Impress. Here you see a template selection window and a slide editing window, very much like PowerPoint. The Impress application can read and write PowerPoint files like this one. When I double-click the icon, the file is automatically opened in the app. This is a big file, so it takes several seconds. Using PowerPoint on the PC, the same file loads more quickly. The font was not translated exactly, so this title doesn't fit on the line. So I select the text, and in the Properties dialog, I'll select 26. Okay, so now the text fits on a line. All right, and I can close this. You'll need to get accustomed to the different user interface. For example, PowerPoint has major sets of editing commands at the top of the window, such as transitions and animations, whereas Impress has highly customizable controls. Here are the tools for transitions and animations. The View Toolbars menu shows a list of toolbars that you can display and hide. Now let's look at the performance during animations. This slide has an animation. Let's watch it in PowerPoint first. Slideshow from current slide. Okay, I'll start it. This pumps up one side, and then this circuit runs. And there's a spinning wheel at the bottom, and it reverses direction. All right, it runs very smoothly. Let's take a look at the same thing in Impress. So I'll start it. This part works fine. Here, though, we have this wheel getting a little bit wobbly as it turns, and not turning as smoothly because the screen doesn't get updated as often. After you edit a presentation, you can save it into various formats with the File Save As command, such as PowerPoint, pptx, older PowerPoint formats, or the native OpenDocument presentation format. To save in PDF format, use File, Export as PDF. In summary, LibreOffice Impress running on the Raspberry Pi is a good presentation application that allows you to exchange data files with PowerPoint. Some advanced features of PowerPoint might not be available, but you might not need those features. If you like LibreOffice Impress, you can install it for free on your PC or Mac computer.